Hi, and welcome to Case Club. Today, we'll be reviewing our 60 folding knives carry case. It's designed to hold 60 folding knives up to 5¼ inches in a compact as case as possible. First, we'll go over the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. The foam in our case is pre-cut and ready to perfectly fit your gear. For standard sized knives, no cutting on your end is required. The plugs in the case are dual purpose, so be sure to keep them for use with your smaller knives. Split among its 3 layers, the case can hold up to 60 folding knives, Swiss Army knives, or butterfly knives. Each slot is 4.25 inches by 1 inch by 1 inch, but has perforated extensions in half-inch increments that can extend the slot to 5.25 inches in total length. These perforated sections can be removed for longer knives or left in place if your knives are 4.25 inches or shorter. The perforations are made in such a way that if they are left in place, they will not tear and you won't even be able to tell that they're there. For thinner knives, 2 can go in the same slot, or you can trim down the original plug for a snug fit. Once customized, it will look like each slot was cut specifically for a particular knife.
Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from pluck foam. Unlike pluck foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam.
The foam in the lid is a flat pad of the same material that helps hold everything in place when the case is closed. Moving on to the shell of the case. The hard plastic is injection molded and will absorb impact if accidentally dropped. Chamfered corners help to deflect impact. 2 snap latches with positive feedback to keep the lid tightly secured to the base. Multiple padlockable points for added security. Durable mechanical hinges in the back. Feet on the bottom so the case can stand upright on its own. An integral carry handle is durable and textured to provide a firm, non-slip grip. And raised grooves on the bottom prevent the case from becoming scratched when sliding around. To top it off, interlocking ribs on the lid and base make the case stackable if you have more than one. This briefcase style case is perfect for protecting your gear against shocks, drops, and impacts. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.